Welcome to Northern Australia. Remote, humid, and home to billions of termites. It's also home to some of the world's keenest e-shoppers. No, not him. Him. On the edge of the outback is a town called Humpty Doo, where Josh lives. Hater of shops, lover of working out.
I'm a bit of a fitness fanatic. You know, I love coming to the gym. If I want to do it properly, you know, I really need the gym shirt, gym shorts, trainers. Just you know, you need the right clothing. Yeah, this is Humpty Doo shops. Not a whole lot of variety in terms of clothes shopping. It's because we live in such a remote area, it's more worthwhile just going online, clothes especially, because it's a lot cheaper.
So, like a million fellow Aussies every day, Josh goes online. This evening, he's shopping for a new t-shirt. When he clicks buy, a massive international delivery operation will swing into action. With just 3 days to deliver a new t-shirt over 9,500 miles from the UK, for just an extra few dollars, Josh's t-shirt is on its way. On the far side of the planet, a warehouse in the UK receives the order.
When a customer in Australia orders a parcel, it will be in our system 20 minutes later.
Thanks to the online shopping boom, this clothing company has grown from nothing to a multi-million-pound global company in just a few years. Their success relies on speed. The team in this warehouse must get thousands of packages ready for collection each day. And a courier will be here to pick up Josh's t-shirt in just 2 hours' time. The process starts with a handy scanner called a Gladiator and a picker called Arnold.
All orders Gymshark receives goes to the scanner and tells us where in the warehouse we can find them. These are the coordinates of our first item. G2 just means the location in the warehouse. A13 means the aisle number, and the rest of the number is the box location. Next, we're going G1 PAL 315.
In one day, Arnold can gather up to 1,000 orders using his trusty Gladiator.
The item, what we have now, is a t-shirt, black color, extra large.
That's Josh's t-shirt. From picker to packer.